In front of me is REALME 8, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on the following device. So you've got two methods. Let's start with the quickest one. Just open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code. Obviously just open your keypad and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got all the info, so IMEI numbers and also serial number. But if you'd like to reach it via settings, you can do it as well. Just open the settings at first, then find and select about phone, and here click on status. And here you will notice serial number and IMEI numbers. And this is it, that would be all. This is how you can check it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.